Hey guys, what's up? My name is Romy, and for this first video I'm gonna be filming about my vertical LABRET, which I'm about to get done in a few minutes. Hopefully I'll be able to film the process, but I might not be able to. Stay tuned. It's done! Yeah! So yeah, here it is. So you can still see the little dot next to it. That's where she initially put the dot, but I wanted it aligned with my teeth. But I feel like maybe she was right to put it next. I don't know, whatever. I'm not like super perfectionist, so even if it's a tiny bit crooked or more to the right, then it should be like, I don't really care. The pain was honestly not too bad. I could definitely feel the needle go through because she did it pretty slowly to make sure that it's aligned, so I could really feel it in my lip. But the pain itself wasn't too bad, so I would give it 6 out of 10. Hey guys, so this is day 1 and right now it looks way more swollen than yesterday. Yeah, and it's a little bit blue right here, and also my lips are super chapped. There's no pain at all, like even when I touch it, it's not painful. I barely feel anything on my lip. The only thing that I feel is that my lips are chapped and like super dry, which is kind of bothering me, but you kind of get used to it. But other than that, for eating, you can pretty much eat normally. Just try to avoid like touching like the spoon or the fork with your lips. For drinking, I recommend using a straw. A reusable straw. Oh, and actually this morning when I woke up, there was blood around the piercing, so it bled a lot during the night. But yeah, that's what it looks like today. And there's really no pain at all when I do that. This is one of the only piercings that is not painful at all, like after I do it. I was told to clean it once a day and like soak it in water for about like 5 to 10 minutes. But I'm way too lazy to do that, so I just prefer cleaning it in the morning and at night. In the morning I just remove the blood with a cotton tip with sea salt water. And then in the evening I actually soak it with a cotton pad for about 1 minute to 2 minutes. So I made this, which is 1 teaspoon of sea salt for 1 liter of water, and I just keep it in the fridge. Like, I already cleaned it this morning, but there's blood, so I'm just gonna remove the blood. It actually kind of annoys me that it's not really in the middle. Like, it's in the middle of my face, but not in the middle of my lips, just because they're not like symmetrical. So it's really bugging me because, I don't know. Oh man, my lips look so gross today. Still super chapped, and I kind of bit myself right here and they're still purple, so I just kind of look like I have zombie lips. No one will kiss me with those lips. It's looking pretty good today. It's less purple than before. My lips are also less chapped, but I've been applying chapstick every day and I've been removing the dead skin. It's still no pain, the swelling is going down, so everything is super good. This is one of the easiest piercings I've ever had. Like, bam. So I just told my mom about my piercing and she basically just answered, okay. So yeah, that just means that she doesn't like it. Oh, there's a little piece of shit here. Gotta clean it. So today it's also pretty good, and now I can actually drink without a straw. So I just drink normally, and even though the piercing touches the cup, it feels fine and there's no pain, so. So yeah, this was definitely the easiest piercing I've ever had to take care of. The healing was so easy, and I really love this piercing. Like, I think it might be the favorite piercing that I have. I started to get used to the fact that it's not really in the middle, and I asked a bunch of people and most of them don't even notice. I notice it because it's me and I look at myself in the mirror. If you go get this piercing, just make sure that you really take time with the piercer to make sure that it's placed the way you want to. My advice would be don't trust mirrors. Just take a photo and definitely go with a friend who can give his opinion, because you're literally piercing your body and it's painful and it's a lot of money, so just don't waste that chance. If you're hesitant of what your friends or family, what they might think, it doesn't really matter, like just do it for yourself. Every time I get a piercing I tend to ask people what they think, like if they think it would look good on me, and a lot of people actually didn't approve. Only a few people were like, yeah, I think it would suit you. But in the end, like no matter what they said, I still got it and I'm very, very happy about it. So just do whatever you want. If you have the money, if you have the time and you're ready to care for it, then just do it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. If you enjoyed this video or would like to see more content like that, let me know in the comments. So don't forget to press the like and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, bye!